Good evening to all. This is Steve from Department of Oncology. From today we discuss about the topic of citric acid cycles. First we start with introduction. So basically the citric acid cycles are otherwise known as TCA cycles or otherwise known as Krebs cycles. It is the most important pathway for the energy supply to the body. Most of the citric acid cycles is a benefit to use for the supply of energy to the body. Okay. Next, 65 to 60 to 70% of ATP are synthesized in their Krebs cycles. Okay. It is also involved in the enzymes of acetyl-CoA and H2O. Acetyl-CoA is a type of enzymes. Okay. Where it is next in citric acid cycles, where it is the location site. Based on the citric acid cycles, it is a maximum located in the part of mitochondrial matrix. Okay, mitochondrial matrix. Based on the citric acid cycles, the enzymes of mitochondrial matrix are elongated to the part of citric acid cycles. Okay, this is a pathway. Next is about the pathways. Next is about the pathways are involved in the conception of citric acid cycles. Okay, based on the citric acid cycles, first we start with acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA is a type of enzyme. Acetyl-CoA and acetyl-oxaloacetate react with citrate synthesis. Okay, citrate synthesis it forms CoA and CoA and citrate. Okay, in formation of the citrate, react with aconitis FADH₂, ferric 2+, and form cis acetylate. Cis means the same, okay, and cis acetylate react with aconitis ferric 2. There is a H2O will be present, and it form isocitrate. Okay, and next in the formation of isocitrate, it react with iso-dehydrogenase. It means dehydrogenase means it will be removed. Okay, that is NAD and NADH plus will be present. Okay, and elongated with CO2, and it form alpha beta glutarate. Alpha beta glutarate is an enzyme. It's a sugar type of enzymes. Okay, it will form and react with alpha beta glutarate dehydrogenase. Where the presence of beta glutarate, the dehydrogenase with the alpha beta glutarate, there is NADH and H plus and NADH. NAD plus are present, and it forms succinyl-CoA. Succinyl-CoA is a type of enzyme, and there is GTP, CoA and GTP plus PA. Okay, GTP means Gansen triphosphate, and GTP means Gansen diphosphate, and PA means inorganic phosphates. Okay, and CoA is coenzyme sulfhydryl groups. Okay, and based on the formation of succinyl-CoA, it reacts with GTP and CoA and GTP, it forms succinate. In the formation of succinate, it dehydrogenate with succinate. Okay, and there is FADH and FAD. FAD means flavin adenine dinucleotide, and FADH means flavin adenine. Last one is hydrogens. Okay, H means hydrogens. Hydrogen groups are added, and it forms it will react to the succinate dehydrogenate. It forms fumarate. Okay, the formation of fumarate, it will react with fumaries. Fumaries, there is H2O will be present, and it forms malate. And finally, dehydrogenate with malate, and there is NAD plus and NADH. There is NAD means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and NADH means nicotinamide dinucleotide hydrogen. So last one H means hydrogen. Finally, it forms oxaloacetate. Okay, this is the simple pathways we are studying about the concept of citric acid cycles. Okay. Continuing to the sections following to the citric acid cycles, we move about the topic of significance of citric acid cycles. The primary functions of ATP, the primary function of citric acid cycles is to provide energy of ATP. That's mean adenosine triphosphates. It provides adenosine triphosphates is a major concept we study about the functions and provide energy from the citric acid cycles. And next we move to the it's a common pathway for carbohydrates. Carbohydrates and lipids and proteins. These are the concepts we study. Move the common pathway the citric acid cycle move in the reactions. Okay, and it plays an important role in the oxidative and synthetic process. And the oxidatives anabolic and synthetic means catabolics. Okay, and based on the oxidative and synthetic reactions, move to the following examples like gluconeogenesis, fatty acid synthesis, and transaminases. These are three examples were based on the reactions of oxidative and synthetic movements. Okay. Next, following to the topic of citric acid cycles. These are the keywords to understand the concept of citric acid cycles. Okay. CoA means coenzyme A, and SH means alpha hydroxyl groups. Aconitase is a type of enzymes present in the type of citric acid cycle reactions. Okay. And next, NAD, nicotinamide adenine, and H, last one is H, hydrogen. These are hydrogen groups. Hydrogen groups are present in the nicotinamide adenine hydrogen. Okay. And GDP, guanosine triphosphates. Okay. And move to the section GDP. GDP means guanosine triphosphates. And FAD means flavin adenine dinucleotide. And H, last one is HRL. Okay. HRL means FADH. It's also known as flavin adenine dinucleotide hydrogen groups. Okay. These are the simplest keywords to understand the concept of citric acid cycles. That's all. Thank you.